success, leadership, and unwavering dedication to the nation and the service. Their legacy is further highlighted by a historic milestone. From their ranks emerged Police General Nicolas de los Santos III, whose made history as the first Nakam PNP chief. His rise to the highest position in the Philippine National Police exemplifies the excellence that their class has continuously demonstrated. Let us warmly welcome the impressive Tagapaglansat class of 1993. Following them is the Sandigan class of 1994. The Sandigan class of 1994 carries with it a rich history as one of the most distinguished classes to graduate from this academy. Tasked with demonstrating that PNP graduates can be trusted at all times. This class rose to the challenge. With 79 highly accomplished graduates, they face demanding academics and rigorous training, yet they march proudly into the world of public safety. The class donated the CCPNP water drinking station and the PNP's Sandigan Beach, staying true to the ideals and principles installed in them at the Academy. A proud member of this illustrious class is our very own PNP Director, Police Major General Andre Perez Diesel. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Sandigan class of 1994. Make way for the Patnukan class of 1995. The Patnukan class of 1995 has made a remarkable history, proving their worth